G'day YouTube, this video we're going to check out the Saris swing away hitch and 1Up-USA bike rack. What you don't see after many adventures are cleaning up. Getting the awning dry, drying off the tent canopy. It's all fun, but you gotta make sure the stuff in the Pacific Northwest doesn't get all moldy. I've been wanting to have a swing away bike rack for camping, just to get the bikes out of the way when you get in and out of the back of the truck. So I'm hopeful this thing will work out, and let's take a look at it. Here's the Saris swing away bike hitch installed. Only took 5 minutes. It comes with a nice lock so no one will steal it, and then it has a non-vibration tightening hitch as well that it includes. To operate it, very simple. You just pull the pin off the handle and she swings away. That's going to be great. And then it locks in place. You can pull the pin in the back to close it. Same deal. Put the handle down, pull up. Great little lock. And then you want to make sure it clears your tailgate, which it does. Let's throw my bike rack on and make sure everything works. This is a great heavy-duty bike rack. It's a 1Up-USA. Really easy. It has a star sort of key to lock it in place. It's as simple as that. Bike rack's on. This has a lock. Pull it down. Lift up. Yeah, this will be great. This weighs about 40 pounds. Our e-bikes are 60 pounds each. And the capacity of the Saris hitch is 250 pounds. So I've got plenty of weight to hold it on. Let's test her out, swing her out. Here we go. Full access to the back. Ready for another bike adventure. I got my Saris swing out bike hitch at eTrailer.com. Let's test it out and go for a ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Pacific Northwest Explorer.